So let's say you decided to sell on Amazon, and it is good decision to make, But let's talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages. And if you're already there, so maybe in this video you will get some extra information which will allow you to adjust your strategy. The reason why I want to talk about it, because so many people come to me and they like, Sergey, I want to start online sales. I heard that Amazon is a great opportunity. You can make a lot of money there. Should I start there, or should I launch my own website? Because you have so many options today. You can easily in one day you can set up your Shopify store, or maybe some website on Wix, or you can go to Amazon, or you can open eBay account and you can start selling there. Answer which I have here is that there is no definite answer what would be your best strategy, because your strategy depends on many things. And those things depends on what you want to sell, how you want to sell it, like what is your basically competitive advantage. Do you own the brand and you want to sell your products? Which region you want to sell it to? Any marketplace, including Amazon, it is a great platform to boost your sales and basically to get this kind of exposure to a bigger audience, because those platforms, they already have huge database of the clients, and you basically don't really need to generate traffic to that website. But same time, they have so many competition internally. Also, their business model based not on your sales, their business model is actually based on the services they provide to you and services they provide to the customers on the other end of this kind of communication chain or sales chain. And for them, it doesn't matter who's gonna sell what and who's gonna buy what. The most important is that each side will pay their fees for any sales they make. So they just platforms, they are provider. You have to spend a lot trying to achieve great result on Amazon, but once you get into this like great state where you can sell a lot, huge opportunity worldwide, because Amazon covers all the aspects of the last mile delivery. So you just bring product to them, and then from there they will cover you. I mentioned that Amazon has huge network and they have huge database of the clients, and the thing is you don't have it. Basically, when you sell on Amazon, you don't have access to this database. Let's say in 3-5 years you decide to leave the platform, you don't own anything on this platform. Basically, whatever you created on that platform, it's all belongs to Amazon. And then same time, if after a couple of years Amazon decided that you're not compliant with some regulations, they will shut down your page, and after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you starting from ground zero. And these are things which people usually don't take into consideration. And also there are so many other products and similar products, and maybe exactly the same products from different vendors which are being sold on Amazon. And at some point people start to compete with the price. And when you start to compete with the price, you basically have no profit. At certain point your profit become negative. Having your own website is a little bit more complicated in the beginning, but it is much easier after some time, because whatever you build, you own it, right? Over the time your organic traffic will increase, will grow, and your client's database will grow, and the product which you have will also be more and more popular. And because you have direct connection to your clients, you're able to communicate to them. You're able to ask what do they like about this product, what they don't like about this product. You can improve your product because you have this direct connection and direct reach. So you have more options how you link the client to you, and how you establish this emotional connection, brand connection, and from there you basically just growing. Sometimes it can be mixed strategy, right? So you can sell on Amazon and then you can sell from your own website. You can sell discontinued product on Amazon, but on your website you keep fixed price like Apple does, right? So if you go to Amazon, you always can have better deals, but if you buy directly from Apple, so in this case there is always like certain price which is never goes down. It all depends. So let me know what you're trying to build, what is your strategy, or what questions do you have, and based on that I will be able to answer, or maybe I record another video where I'm gonna tell you what I think about it, or what is my experience if I have such experience. That's what I wanted to share today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.